They say an invisible red string ties us to our soulmate, unbreakable, unyielding, and guiding us to our destined love. But what if fate had something darker in store? What if the red string binds us to something that we never can escape? Hi, my lovely friends, and welcome to Allegedly Strange Tales. It's Freaky Friday, and it's also Valentine's Day. So what better time than to bring you a freaky tale? Love is a force beyond our control, but what if it was literally woven into our destiny? According to East Asian legend, the red string of fate connects two people meant to be together, no matter how far apart they are. It's an unbreakable thread, or is it? Some believe this string is tied by the gods, ensuring soulmates always find each other. But others whisper of its darker side, stories of cursed connections, tragic lovers, and the terrifying consequences of trying to break fate's design. Tonight, we're diving into the mystery of the red string of fate. So, can we escape destiny? Or does the red string bind us even beyond death? So, let's ask about this. This is a good tale for our channel. Freaky Friday. So, let's see about the red string of fate and what can we learn? What can we find out about the red string of fate, which is supposed to bind people together or bind your soulmates? Your soulmate doesn't have to be your lost love or something. Your soulmate can be somebody who's been through many lifetimes with you, whether that's the Five of Pentacles in reverse. That's a left out in the cold, but that was in reverse. What if this, your soulmate, could be somebody that you don't like, so the Eight of Wands in reverse. They're just jumping out tonight. So let's just see what is going on. Well, that was a weird, just one card. Okay, it's ready. It is ready now. Let's go ahead and let's ask about this red string of fate. And we are using my favorite for this channel is the Starman Tarot. So let's see. Does the red string of fate exist? Let's just ask that. Does the red string of fate exist? Oh, I can't grab it here. Does the red string... Whoa, that is the Eight of Wands. The Eight of Wands. That is like, that's like quick energy too. And it's like, it would be travel. It could be traveling with your soulmate through many lifetimes and many dimensions. Look, that looks like a different dimension, doesn't it? You know what? That's upright too. And I usually, on this channel, we usually say upright for yes and reversals no. Not all the time, but I'm taking that as a yes. So the red string of fate does exist. Okay, are we really connected to a specific person from birth? But I'm going to say throughout lifetimes, many lifetimes, are we connected? The Six of Swords. Now, that's in reverse. But look at that. That looks like a baby. Look at that. Look at that. That's weird, isn't it? So in reverse, it's going in from calm to choppy waters. Upright, you're going from choppy waters to calm waters. But this could be troublesome times for, I said, are we really connected to a specific person from birth? That is a baby on there too. That is really weird. And going into choppy waters. What happens if someone tries to resist their fate and break the red string? I wonder if that is that going into choppy water. So let's see what happens if somebody tries to resist their fate and break the string. The 5 of Cups in reverse. That's usually disappointment. Upright is disappointment. And crying over spilt milk. But in reverse, look at that too. It's kind of, that could be wine, but it's red. So in reverse, all of your it's cups. All of your love falls out. Okay, that makes sense. What happens if someone tries to resist their fate? And it's disappointment anyway, upright. So that is, if you try to break the red string, there's a lot of red in there too. I just think you're going to suffer a lot of grief if that happens. I don't know how you would break that red string. Can the red string of fate connect people beyond life and death? And we kind of saw that in the first one where we ask, if you're through many lifetimes. But anyway, can the red string of fate connect people beyond life and death? Whoa, that is the Prince of Wands. And the Prince of Wands would be the king, the Knight. That's the Knight of Wands. And that is, I would say that's yes, because it's upright. And Wands is fiery energy. And it could be somebody just coming in really fast and going out of your life as fast as they came in. Maybe taking what they want, just coming in, taking what they want, and then leaving. And this is one of those, like I was saying about whether you are in love, you find your soulmate. Your soulmate could also be somebody that you don't like or that you hate, or that's evil. This is that person right there. Has anyone been cursed by a red string connection? Has anyone been cursed? That's the 2 of Cups. Whoa, I would say so. And that is 2 of Cups is a contract. That's kind of weird. And have they been cursed by the red string connection? So that is telling me that you are connected. You have a contract with that person. And it was upright too. So yeah, I would say that there has been some cursing. So is there a way to know if you found the person that you are tied to? Is there a way to know if we have found that person that we are tied to? The Queen of Cups. And that is a very emotional card. She is very emotional. She has, I would say, yes, that your intuition knows. I would definitely say, because that is like a powerful emotional card. And I mean, look, around the heart chakra and stuff, that's all lit up there. Yeah, I would say, by intuition, what if you're tied to, if you found the person that you're tied to. So, wow, okay. That red string of fate. Well, the Eight of Wands is telling us that it does exist, and probably through many dimensions. Many different dimensions. Let's put these up now. For this one, we're going to use Aggie. So, happy Valentine's Day, Aggie. So, does every person, can you tell us, please, does every person have a red string of fate? Now, I'm going to hold this as still as I can. Does every person have a red string of fate, please? Wow, that's swinging to yes. Okay. Is the string truly unbreakable? Is it truly unbreakable? Is it truly... Whoa. That's swinging no. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so I guess it can be severed then. How do you do that? I don't know. Do spirits or supernatural forces influence the red string's path, please? Do supernatural forces influence the red string's path? That is swinging to yes. Okay, can a red string ever be tied to something dangerous? So in many lifetimes, sometimes if you're connected to someone that until you get your karma figured out and everything, you're going to be connected to them. So this is my thoughts anyway. So can a red string ever be tied to something or someone dangerous? Look, it's going to yes. Okay. Okay, Aggie, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for your help. And thank you all for being here. I appreciate you all. And if you like this video, please press the like button. Stay strange, my friends, and I will see you on the next one.